What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel, and in this video I want to show you how to find vertex point in quadratic equations in factored form. First example I want to show you is y equals to x minus 1 times x minus 3. So the answer will be, we want to find the vertex point here. The x-intercepts for this equation is going to be x minus 1 equals to 0, x minus 3 equals to 0. So we have x equals to 1 and x equals to 3. So the x component of vertex point is going to be the average of the two intercepts. So 1 plus 3 divided by 2 is going to be 2. And y, if you want to find y, we just sub this one in here, and then we can find y. So it's going to be 1 times negative 1, that's going to be negative 1. So the vertex point is going to be 2 and negative 1. Next example. We have y equals to x minus 2 times x plus 4. Answer will be, we need to find the x-intercepts first. X minus 2 equals to 0, so x equals to 2. X plus 4 equals to 0, so x is negative 4. So the average for vertex is negative 4 plus 2 is divided by 2 is going to be negative 2 divided by 2 is going to be negative 1. How to find y? We just sub this negative 1 there. It's going to be negative 3 times positive 3 is going to be negative 9. So the vertex point is going to be negative 1 and negative 9. Next example, we have y equals to 2 times x minus 4 times x plus 4. Answer will be, we need to find the x-intercepts first. X plus 4 equals to 0, x minus 4 equals to 0, x equals to negative 4, x equals to positive 4. So when you find the average, 4 minus 4 divided by 2 is going to make it 0. So when you sub it there, it's going to be 2 times 0 minus 4 times 0 plus 4. That will make it 2 times negative 4 times positive 4. That's going to make it negative 32. So the vertex point is 0 and negative 32. Next example, negative 3x times x minus 6. Answer here is, we need to find the x-intercept. One of them is x equals to 0, the other one is going to be x equals to 6. So the x component of vertex is going to be 0 plus 6 divided by 2, which is going to be 3. Y will be negative 3 times 3 times 3 minus 6. So we have negative 3 times 3 times negative 3. Negative 3 times negative 3 is going to be 9. 9 times 3 is going to be 27. So it's going to be 3 and 27. Next example. That's going to be 2 times x plus 1 times x plus 9. Answer will be, x-intercepts will be negative 9 and negative 1. So negative 9 and negative 1. When you find the average, it's going to be negative 9 plus negative 1 divided by 2 is going to be negative 10 divided by 2 is going to be negative 5. Then you sub it in the equation to find the y value. So 2 times negative 5 plus 1, negative 5 plus 9. So that will be 2 times negative 4 times positive 4. So that will make it negative 32. So the answer is going to be negative 5 and negative 32. That's the vertex point. Another example, we have negative x plus 6 x minus 4. Answer, x-intercepts are x plus 6 equals to 0, so x will be negative 6. X minus 4 equals to 0, so x is 4. So the average will be 4 minus 6 divided by 2 is negative 2 divided by 2 is negative 1. So y will be, you just sub it there, negative 1 plus 6 times negative 1, negative 4. That's going to be negative, positive 5, and negative 5. That will make it 25. So we have negative 1 and positive 25. That's the vertex point. That's how we find the vertex point for quadratic equations in factored form. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it useful, please like this video. You can also follow this channel and subscribe it to have access to different varieties of math and science questions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.